Hey folks, Peter Crump here from Bob Pedler Real Estate. I'm out at my newest listing, 2608 South Talbot Road, right at the corner of South Talbot and Walker Road, right by the roundabout. Busy intersection. I'm out here because I've got a 51.14 acre farm for sale. This is definitely possible future development land, and that's the way we're marketing it. If this interests you, come on out, take a look with me, and we'll go from there.